this assessment, we're asked to do three things for the carbon-chlorine bond. First, we're going to indicate the direction of the dipole moment and identify the partially positive and partially negative atoms in the carbon-chlorine bond. On the screen are the Pauling electronegativity values for chlorine and carbon. So from one of the figures in the text, we hit 3.0 for chlorine, 2.5 for carbon, meaning that chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. What this means then is that for the carbon-chlorine bond, we're going to have a dipole moment in the direction of chlorine. It's going to be the polar covalent bond is going to have more electron density around the more electronegative chlorine atom. And so as a result, chlorine is going to have a partial negative charge, and carbon will have a partial positive charge.